Imagine a world where technology has surpassed every expectation, where artificial intelligence has become as common as smartphones, and where the Internet of Things has transformed every aspect of daily life. A world where technology has not just made life easier, but has also become an inseparable part of human existence. This is not a distant future, but a reality that could be just 5 years away. Consider the predictions of Liz Centoni, a top executive at Cisco. According to her, the technology landscape in the year 2029 will be dominated by the rise of 5G networks, the increasing importance of artificial intelligence and machine learning, the growth of edge computing, and the continued expansion of the Internet of Things. However, with technological advancement comes increased risk. Therefore, Centoni also highlights the need for enhanced cybersecurity measures and the potential for quantum computing to revolutionize various industries. Take the utilities sector, for example. The 2024 outlook from EY suggests 3 key opportunities: balance in the global economic outlook, guidance on establishing governance over third-party messaging apps by the Department of Justice, and the rise of blockchain-based solutions to simplify and manage complexities in commercial agreements and procurement activities. West Monroe, a business and technology consultancy, also has some predictions. They foresee 5 major tech trends: digitization, employee engagement, customer engagement, practical uses of AI, and the human element in technology. They argue that while data drives Formula One, it is ultimately driven by people. But what does this all mean for the average person? It means that in just 5 years, technology could change the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. It means that the line between the physical and the digital could become increasingly blurred. To summarize, the future of technology is promising yet challenging. As we move closer to a world dominated by 5G, AI, and IoT, the need for cybersecurity and the potential of quantum computing become increasingly apparent. The utilities sector is set to see major changes, and blockchain could become an important tool for managing complex agreements. Lastly, while technology will continue to advance, the human element remains crucial. What's certain is that the future of technology will continue to surprise and amaze us. As we step into the next 5 years, let's keep an open mind and be ready to embrace whatever comes our way.